Did you know you could save up to $730 every year in fuel costs by switching to a home refueling system? The HPDMC CNG compressor makes this possible and quicker than you think. For just $3,849, you can install the DMC3 model in your home or garage and eliminate the need to drive to public refueling stations. That's right, $730 in savings every year, meaning your payback period for the equipment is just 4.1 years. For fleet owners, whether it's taxi fleets, delivery vans, or even public buses that run on CNG, your payback period is even shorter. With a fleet of 3 vehicles, the payback period is only about 18 months. Plus, you get hidden gains by eliminating long waits and save queuing time at public refueling stations. Queuing time costs you $1.20/hour. By refueling at home or in your own facility, you're also saving $1,200 annually in queuing time alone. Imagine all that time and money saved, more productivity, more convenience, and more cash in your pocket. Whether you're a family driver or managing a fleet of vehicles, the HPDMC CNG compressor is an investment that pays for itself faster than you expect. Start saving today. Visit our website at www.hpdmc.com.